Yo, in iOS 26, setting a custom ringtone on your iPhone is crazy easy now. No more messing with iTunes, Mac, or PC. When I shot this video, my iPhone was already rocking the iOS 26 beta, but for everyone else, you gotta wait till September when it drops for real from Apple officially. All right, first things first. Hop on Safari and download any song you want from the internet. Make sure it's either in MP3 or M4A format, and keep it under 30 seconds long. Once that's done downloading, go ahead and open up Safari's Download Manager. Then tap on Downloads. You'll see your freshly downloaded audio file. Tap on it. Next, hit that share icon down in the bottom right corner. From the share menu, choose Use as Ringtone. If you don't see that option right away, tap on More to find it. Boom! Your iPhone's got that custom ringtone now. Check it out under Sounds and Haptics in your settings. Want to get rid of a ringtone you don't vibe with anymore? Just swipe left on it and delete. If you want to add another one, it's the same drill. Got an audio file in your Files app or someone AirDropped it to you? Just repeat the steps. Hope this walkthrough helped you out. Drop your questions in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and hit that subscribe button for more free tech tips coming your way.